Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGEN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious or rub salt in one's wounds, but bears took a big bite out of this one today, and I just want to map out a few of the key technical levels now going forward. First technical level being the near-term level of support, and that is right down here at $4.40. You can see on several occasions today, the bears did try to press down through that mark, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So as things stand right now, 440 is where the current demand for the stock is. Now going forward, is that demand going to stay there? No guarantee of that, but definitely the chart has made it apparent that people are willing to buy at the $4.40 mark. So that'll be the initial area of support. Now in the event the price cannot hold above there and the bears ultimately press the price down below, where some of these next key levels of resistance at? Next key overall level of support at that point in time, down here around the $4.25 mark. So 440, 425, two of the near term levels of support going into tomorrow and then next week. Now in the event this does decide to bounce, really the key level of resistance right now, pretty straightforward, and that is all about the pink line here, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. Even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So by no means am I saying it's impossible for the price to get back above the pink line. I'm just saying that on any sort of bounce, the pink line will definitely be that key area of resistance to see, how strong any sort of bounce is. Obviously, if the price blasts right through it, then hey, yeah, that bounce is quite strong. But if the price gets up there, kind of, just hovers around and doesn't really do much, well, then at that point, the bounce and its quote unquote true, credible strength gets a little bit of shaky at that point in time. So again, key levels 440 and then that 200 period simple moving average going to be the main levels to keep an eye on from a technical point of view. So we'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.